Now let's go back to उसको खाना चाहिए. चाहिए can mean want or wants as well as should. So if khana is used as verb, चाहिए acts as should, like उसको खाना खाना चाहिए means she should eat food, but उसको खाना चाहिए means she wants food, because here khana is the noun food. This confusion, however, is limited to khana alone. Let's try पीना. कहिए उर्दू में कैसे कहते हैं? They should drink. उनको पीना चाहिए. उनको पीना चाहिए. Similarly, कहिए you should go. आपको जाना चाहिए. कहिए के, by the way, के is that, as in say that you want to go, that. So कहिए के I should not say. Not is nahi. I should not say. मुझे नहीं कहना चाहिए. मुझे नहीं कहना चाहिए. I should not say. आप क्या नहीं कहना चाहते? आप क्या नहीं कहना चाहते? पीना is the verb to drink, but something to drink is collectively a noun, so you can use chahiye with it to get the effect of want. Something to drink is kuch peene ko. Kuch peene ko. Something drink to. Something to drink. Kuch peene ko. I want to drink को उर्दू में कहते हैं मैं पीना चाहता हूँ. आप कहिए कि I want something to drink. मुझे कुछ पीने को चाहिए. मुझे कुछ पीने को चाहिए. Since कुछ पीने को is a noun, चाहिए acts as want. As long as the object is a noun, चाहिए will mean want. अब कहिए I should drink something. Literally, me something, the verb to drink, should. Me something to drink should. मुझे कुछ पीना चाहिए. मुझे कुछ पीना चाहिए. So we have मुझे कुछ पीने को चाहिए and मुझे कुछ पीना चाहिए with completely different meanings. Let's make a long sentence using के. Pretend you told someone I should go now. Now is ab and to go is jana. So literally, kahiye me now to go should. मुझे अब जाना चाहिए. मुझे अब जाना चाहिए. The person didn't listen, so tell him I am saying that I should go now. मैं कह रहा हूँ कि मुझे अब जाना चाहिए। मैं कह रहा हूँ, I am saying के that मुझे अब जाना चाहिए। Me now to go should।